Welcome to Designer Savvy. Today's video shows you how to apply a wall decal. Hope you enjoy. I had searched for a couple of months for a statement piece for this wall. Stumbled on this Magnolia wall decal at Hobby Lobby. It was originally $20.99. I got it on clearance for $6.99. Wasn't even looking for it, and it found me, so that was exciting. Love the way it works with everything else in the house. My entire home is Magnolia themed, and love this wall decal. The hardest part about it was getting the decal peeled off the paper it was on. That took a good 5 minutes at least, but the whole process was no more than about 20. Once I got that first layer on, the rest was a breeze. I love it. Was so pleased with the way the room turned out. I will link the video of the bathroom makeover and also show you how I laid down the peel and stick floor tile. Hope you'll watch that. Just want to let you all know, when you watch my videos through entirely to the end, that really helps support my channel. I would love for you to like the video if in fact you do, subscribe so you can get notices when I upload new videos each week. It doesn't cost a thing to subscribe. You sign up through YouTube and click on the subscribe button, or you click on my picture. Actually, it's normally in the bottom right corner of videos, and that is actually the subscribe button. Depending on which device you use, it might say subscribe or it might be my picture of me. Would love to have you join me along this YouTube journey. Share my video with friends and family whom you think might enjoy them. Have a great series going on in January that you won't want to miss. These are photos of the finished master bathroom. Hope you enjoy. Thanks so much.